My name is Lisbeth Arias, and I've been in real estate 7 years, but I've been in sales for over 20 years. Once I started investing into real estate myself, this is how I ended up falling in love with real estate. I actually wish I would have done it sooner. So I live out by the Cedar Creek Lake area. So I serve Cedar Creek Lake, Kaufman County, and the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex in general. I'm very passionate about helping my clients, making sure that they make the right decisions, informed decisions, them being happy in their home. Sports, entertainment, job market. You have everything here in Dallas. Growing up in Irving, Texas, gave me that knowledge to know all about Dallas, where you can find a coffee shop, Latin American cuisine, all over the world cuisine. So everything is at hand's reach here in Dallas. You can go to a sporting event. You can go to a garden at a botanical garden. Everything is here within just a short drive away. 7 years ago, my family and I decided to just take off from living all my life in the city out to the country life. Life was different for the kids growing up. They got to experience nature, the sounds of nature, the crickets, the stars at night, just the peaceful sound. My client is not just another dollar sign, another closing, another number. For me, it's all about my client feeling safe, feeling guided, and feeling sure about their next step. That is what makes me different. Whether you're buying, you're selling, or investing in the Cedar Creek Lake area, the Kaufman County, or the Dallas-Fort Worth area in general, give me the opportunity to earn your trust. Give me a call at 214-380-3525 or contact me here in social media.